Hello students, welcome to maths class. In this video we will see the solutions from question number 1 to question number 7 of exercise 1.2 of class 6th. So the first question is, that I will read from book. The first question is, a book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final days was respectively 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. Okay. So in the question we have situation 4 days seminar, 4 days science exhibition is there. The number of tickets which were sold on different days. So first day 1094, second day 1812, third day 2050 and the last day 2751. We need to find out the total number of tickets. Total means all over, okay, all over. That's why we will add, okay, total number of tickets sold on all over the 4 days. So simply we will add them. Okay. 1 plus 2, 6 plus 4, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, okay. 5 plus 5, 10, plus 1, 11, plus 9, 20, 0 here, 2 on the carry. 7 plus 8, 15, plus 2, 17, 7 here, 1 on the carry. 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total 7,707 tickets were sold in the science exhibition. Okay. Now the next question is, here we have Shekhar. In the next number question we have Shekhar. Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test match. Okay. Shekhar कौन है? Shekhar is a cricket player and he scored 6,980 runs. Okay. He wished to complete his 10,000 run. कितने रन वो बनाना चाहता है? 10,000 runs वो बनाना चाहता है. So how many more run does he need? और कितने रन बनाने पड़ेंगे? Simply 6,980 runs he already made and he wished to make 10,000 runs. So out of 10,000, this much 6,980 he already completed. So what we will do? Simply we will subtract 6,980 from 10,000. Okay? From 10,000 we will subtract 6,980. So we will get 3,020. Okay? 10,000 में से 6,980 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? 3,020 runs. It means that 3,020 runs, more runs he needed to complete his 10,000 runs. Now the third question is, in an election, the successful candidate means जो जीता, candidate who won, okay, registered 5,77,500 votes. Okay, he got the successful candidate, the person who won the election, he got 5,77,500 votes. And his nearest rival secured. Nearest rival secure means the second one. Okay, opponent who got 3,48,700 votes. Okay. So question is, by what margin did the successful candidate win the election? How many vote successful candidate got from the nearest rival register? Okay. वो कितने वोटों से अपने पास वाले से जीता है? How many voted he got the nearest one. How many more voted he got votes he got his nearest one. So simply we will subtract 3,48,700 from 5,77,500. Simply we will follow the subtraction method. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Now 5 cannot subtract 7, that's why we will borrow from 7. So 5 will become 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. Then here we have 6. 6 can't subtract 8, so we will taking borrow from the nearest one. So nearest one will become 6 and it will be 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. So by 2,28,800 votes successful candidate won. ओके इतने वोट से वो जीता था अपने पास वाले से. नाउ द सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज कीर्ति बुक स्टोर सोल्ड बुक्स. ओके कीर्ति बुक स्टोर इज द नेम ऑफ स्टोर हु इज सेलिंग बुक्स of rupees 2,85,891 rupees in the first week of June. First week, जून के first week में, in the first week of June, he sold the books of worth rupees 2,85,891 rupees. And books worth rupees 4,768 in the second week of the month. Okay, first week में this much, in the second week he sold the books of worth rupees 4,768 rupees. This question have two parts. Its first part is how much was the sale for the 2 weeks together. How much the selling of 2 weeks together. So simply we will add the first week sale and second week sale to each other and we will get the total selling of 2 weeks together, which is 6,86,659 rupees. Okay, this is the total selling of the book. You can simply see from the first and second week. In the second week the sale was greater. Okay, when we are comparing in between them, we can simply see in between first week and second week, our second week worth rupees is more than first week. So थोड़ा सा और आगे पढ़ेंगे क्वेश्चन को तो हमें आगे मिलेगा in which week was the sale greater and by how much. Okay, so in which week our sale was greater? In the second week. And question is also asking by how much. Okay, by how much. So we will subtract less one from first one. Okay, जो छोटा वाला है the lesser one we will subtract from the greater one. So we will got 4,768 minus 2,85,891, which will gives us after subtraction 1,14,877 rupees. So that second week sale was greater by 1,14,877 rupees. Now the fifth question is find the difference between. Okay, what we need to find? Difference. Okay, find the difference between the greatest and the smallest number, least number that can be writing using. Okay, that can be writing using the digit 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. Okay, what we need to find? We need to find the difference of greatest number and smallest number that can be generated from the number 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. So we will arrange them for the greatest number and for the smallest number. When we will arrange them for the greatest and smallest number, our greatest number will become 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. Smallest one will become 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Okay, for the greatest one we will begin with the greater one and we will go through the lastly we will go to the last one, smallest one, and in the smallest one we will begin with the smallest one and we will go to greater one. Okay, so here our greatest number is 76,432 and the smallest number is 23,467. Okay, so their difference. Okay, their difference are, when we will subtract 23,000 smallest one from the greater one, we will get 52,965, which is our answer. Sixth question is a machine on average manufactured 2825 screws, okay, a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? Okay, so we have a machine that is manufacturing screws. Okay, so when we are taking the average, question is taking the average already and given us in a day average machine is making 2825 screws, and question is asking in the month of January 2006 how many screws were made. So simply, so the total screw it produced in January month will gives us, firstly we need to check, question given us the value for the day. One day is equal to 2825 screw, and question is asking number of screws in month. तो पहले चेक कर लेते हैं. In the month of January we have 31 days. Okay, in the month of January we have 31 days. Simply we have the value of one day, so that we needed the value of 31 day, so we will multiply 2825 by 31. So we will get simply one digit after one digit. Okay, we will begin with 1. 1 5 is 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 8s are 8, 1 2s are 2. Now first value is over, that's why we need to put here cross or dot anything. Okay, then 3 5s are 15, 1 on the carry, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 3 8s are 24, 4 here and 2 on the carry, 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8. Now we will add them. Okay, simply we will add them. 5 as it is, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 8 15, 5 here 1 on the carry, 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7, 8 here. So that the total screws in January month is 87,575. Question number 7 is, a merchant had rupees 78,592 rupees. Okay, she placed an order for purchasing 40 radios set at rupees 1200 each. How much money will remain with her after the purchase? Okay, so a particular person, merchant, is having 78,592 all over. She wants to get the 40 radios. She want to wish to get 40 radios, and the cost of one radios is 1200. एक का प्राइस क्या है? The price of one radio is 1200, and the merchant want to get 40 radio. So firstly we will get out the total cost of purchase. So cost of one radio multiplies by number of radio. What we will do? Cost of one radio, which is 1200, that we will multiply by number of radios that merchant want to purchase. So 40 radio that merchant want to purchase. When we are multiplying 1200 by 40, we will get 48,000 rupees. It means the total purchasing of radios is rupees 48,000 rupees. Now question is asking how much the remaining amount merchant had. So he had in the starting 78,592, and she purchased the radio of rupees 48,000. Simply we will subtract 48,000 from 78,592 and we will get 30,592 rupees. That is the remaining amount with merchant. So here we completed till question number 7. Remaining questions we will see in the next video.